Bill, we've got a few more rough days ahead.
Yeah, certainly looks like some slippery spots for the morning commute tomorrow. Let's take a look downtown at Rosa Parks Circle. Skating activities are on for this evening. And by the way, you can see there's no snow on the sidewalks there. A lot of the sidewalks downtown Grand Rapids are heated. So if you want to go out for a bite to eat and not have to worry about slipping on the snow, head to downtown Grand Rapids, downtown Holland, same story. Let's take a look right now at the winter weather advisory. This covers everybody in the area until 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. After that, the snow should pretty much be gone. But we got some snow to head through tonight. You can see the darker blues indicating where there's some heavier snow now around the Grand Rapids area. And this pattern will continue overnight with another 1 to 3 inches of snow falling. The back edge of the snow is back toward the Mississippi River. So this will continue to rotate on through here overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. Here's what our futurecast shows. You can see the snow shower is still out there. The snow showers continue into the morning hours tomorrow. A little bit of a band setting up between Holland and Kalamazoo, where up to 2 to 3 inches of snow will fall overnight tonight. And then the snow shower activity tapers off. And look at that, by tomorrow afternoon we may be seeing a little bit in the way of sunshine here. In terms of additional snowfall, our snow futurecast shows anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches of additional snow on top of what we've already had. And again, this will mainly fall tonight with just perhaps a dusting during the morning hours tomorrow.